Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Straight up, ding ding. This is really taking off, okay? Really taking off. And it's kind of knocking on to the point where getting new subscribers, I'm not just doing it to get new subscribers like a giveaway. I want to give it to you guys, like OG subscribers and stuff like that. But I didn't really realize how much a Chanel mirror was gonna like completely take off, because every single sit down video I am giving away one of these, a Chanel compact mirror. This is the handiest thing I've ever had. It comes everywhere with me. I have given away them before and you guys requested it. I started again by popular demand. Already given some away. I contact you personally. It has to be me, my verified channel, or my Instagram, no one else. So please subscribe, like, and comment below to be in the winning, to win one of these in my Chanel mirror giveaway. We are looking Chanel today in my Goelia blouse. However, this is an Hermes haul. It isn't a haul, it is just a quick double unboxing. These are two rare items that I got my hands on, both through consignment. I found these and I just snatched them up. I was like, what? They're so rare. So this one actually came in its, this is online purchase, if you make an online purchase, Hermes box. So it looks like so. Here is its hard box. And this is a Kelly compact wallet. It is a Kelly compact wallet in the tri-color. So this is where stuff gets really kind of tricky and rare with Hermes. So this is a, oh, this is showing up great. So this is a Kelly tri-color compact wallet. You can see it's gold hardware there on the Kelly turn lock at the front. It still has all its, this thing wasn't even unboxed for sure. It still has all its little stickers. There is the Kelly lock there, which you can see it's got its cover on it. So it's gold hardware. From back here you can see it. This front flap, you can see it's a blue. Can you see that? So this is blue indigo. This is such a beautiful blue. I would love a bag in this blue because it throws black and it throws kind of navy. You're not quite sure. I love that. That's why I like the vert cypress and things like that in the dark greens. The body of it on this side is noir, so it's black. So you can see there it is noir, just black. But because the flap continues over, this is blue indigo on the back. And then the lining, poof, pop, is blue Frida. This is a lot more of a brighter blue than Zanzibar. Zanzibar's got a really kind of beautiful dark hue to it, kind of like blue France. But this is Frida, which is just like boof in your face, really, really bright. So to have a tri-color Kelly pocket wallet is amazing. So this lining of the back gusset pocket is also in the Frida. And yeah, I will get some nice close-ups for you guys to see. You have your regular Kelly turn lock there. You have Hermes Paris made in France, and then it's, you know, quite a beautiful gusset. I have it in the blue. I have it in the blue Zepia. Up here in that haul I got it in the blue Zepia, which is so beautiful. But we grabbed this guy. When I find little rare items like this, I know a few subbies have said, Jerusha, I swear you don't show us half the stuff you get. I'm kind of like, I just find little rare gems, and I tend to, like, I can unbox and show you guys. It's just they all kind of sit up there and I hang on to them and I either use them or they're just shelf candy. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys, when I say stuff just sits on shelves, that's just what it is. But this is such a little gem, this tri-color Kelly pocket. And lastly, this little gem we also found on consignment. Here it is in its beautiful box. So you can see it came with its tags and ribbon. Beautiful there. Sometimes listings are inclusive, sometimes they're not. Depends what, you know, you want, if you're gifting or things like that. Oh, you can see it down inside. Look at this. Let's get you the colors. So this, again, another rare find, is a Rodeo. You can see it there. So a Milo Rodeo, just the horse, not the Pegasus, not the ones with the wings, but this is a 6 color, which is really, really rare. So let me get the colors correct for you. So it's a Milo Gris in Rose Potpourri is on this side. So the body is in Rose Potpourri, and the saddle is in Bleu Electrique. You can see it there. Its mane and tail is in Malachite, the most beautiful, beautiful, strong green. So, so beautiful. And on this side, it has Blue Azalea as the saddle, and the actual horse's body is lime, very classic color. And then the actual strap, as you can see here, is in Anemone, which is the most beautiful purple. So this is the little Rodeo, and oh my God, a 6 color is, these are so rare to come past. Just so rare that they did these in the inverted stitching and everything like that. And it's so gorgeous. Is that not so cute? So that was it today. Just a quick double unboxing of some gorgeous little rare items that I found from HERMES. Again, on consignment. Always check out consignment companies. Please do not be scared. You can cross-authenticate if you want to in an outside company that will guarantee authentication. You can give them the photos and whatnot and the SKUs and they will authenticate for you. But I can tell you right now, hands on heart, these companies cannot afford to be getting it wrong. Not in this day and age, I can tell you that much. So do trust your consignment stores. Do trust your personal shoppers, consignment shoppers, so on and so forth. They're amazing. Please, again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below if you want to be in the draw to win one of my Chanel mirrors in my Chanel mirror giveaway. I am so excited these are back on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. I hope everybody is doing well. Take care. Peace.